Hi everyone. So let us solve this second order differential equation, okay? So if the root R1 and R2 of the auxiliary equation, we have this quadratic expression equal to 0, I'll read an unequal. Then the general solution of this differential equation is y equal to c1 e raised to power r1 x plus c2 e raised to power r2 x. Now to solve this one, the first thing we are going to do here is to what? To apply what we call auxiliary. Let here now you can see let what y is equal to what e raised power what e raised power mx or anyone I can say e raised power what mx, right? Here now let me find the first derivative here. First derivative here will be what? Y prime is equal to what? Differentiate ms, we have what? M into what? E raised power what? Mx. Now the second derivative of this first derivative is equal to what? This one will be what? Differentiate this one again, we get what? M times m square into what? E raised power what? Mx. Okay. Now let me now input everything to this equation, right? Now this one will be I can have m square e raised power mx plus what do we have here? We have 9m e raised power what? Mx plus 14, right? Everything is equal to what? 0. Okay. Everything. Okay. This one is sorry. This one is 19y, right? Everything here is what? Is y plus 14y. Sorry, I'm sorry for that. This one is what? 19y. Okay. We have 14 raised power what? Mx as well. Everything is equal to what? 0. Now, let me factorize exponential out. E raised power ms into what? M square plus 9m plus 14 is equal to what? 0. Note that exponential ms is not equal to what? 0. But we can divide both sides by what? Exponential. So therefore, we have m squared plus 9m plus 14. Okay. Now let me now factorize this one now. If you factorize this time, we are going to get something like we have m plus what? 2, right? Into what? M plus what? 7. Okay. So if you expand this value here now, we are still going to get the same thing here. Okay. Now m plus what? 2 is equal to what? 0, or what? M plus 7 is equal to what? 0. That is, we can have m is equal to what? Minus 2, or what? M is equal to what? Minus 7. Now if you can look at this theorem that we have here, if this quadratic equation are real and unequal root, so since they have what? Unequal root, right? We can now what? Apply this word, this one here. That is, I can have my y is equal to what? My y is equal to c1, which is constant, e raised power what? My m here stand for what? This root, which is r. I can have e raised power minus 2x plus 6 2 into what? E raised power what? My r2 here, it makes what? Minus 7x. Okay. So this is the final answer to this equation. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and share. Bye.